Hello, good evening. My name is Muaz Ivani and my leg number is 22 LP 1067, and I'm a student in level 3, year 3 in ICT, Department of IT, and I study in RP Kalonji College, and I'm here to present my project. And this project also I worked on ThinkCard. I tried to develop my project through the ThinkCard, and this project I'm going to present is all about Arduino based attendance system using keypad and LCD. By starting with my project, I want to start with the problem. Actually, in many schools and events, attendance is still taken manually, which can be time consuming and error prone. We need a simple and affordable way to track attendance digitally using minimal hardware. Yeah. So as I can introduce the components, our solution is built using an Arduino board, both for keyboard. As I can zoom here, this is what we call keypad. And also for ID inputs and the LCD to display message. This is LCD, this one. So Arduino Uno, the brain of the system, this one, this is what we call Arduino, that one and this one. And keypad for user for input their unique ID, as I showed you the keypad here. And LCD display to provide real-time feedback. You could even hold up the components open to diagram while on this project I'm working on it. Also walk through the user experience. Maybe I can throw on this on how user does and what they can see. On power up, the LCD says enter the ID. Let me try to explain by while I'm explaining and do the practical. By starting my project, I may start here, start simulation, or press spacebar on my computer. And LCD says, let me show you. It starts by saying attendance says starting. So on LCD, there's where you see the output say enter the ID. A student type their ID like 123. Let me put 123 and place hash to submit. Now he or she submit and the LCD says counter 1. If the ID hasn't been used, it is the stored and confirmation appears. They can place A at any time to see how many students have been counted. Let us click there. Total count is 1, means 1 is the he or she have been entered there for one time. If they make mistake, they place to clear and retype like 1 if you want to clear, you click star. As you can see, maybe you click 1 and you want to clear, you see, you may clear. So this basic vision, it doesn't store data permanently, meaning it resets when power is lost. It also doesn't track names or dates yet. Maybe there is suggests for future upgrades, and I want to work on it for the upcoming days in order to improve my skills on this. I will add EEP or CD card to save my data between sessions. Also add support for student names and tracking for attendance by date. Also to include an admin mode with password protection to manage data. So this is how I can say my project for the future. I will be suggest for the upgrades of my project. So as I conclude on my project, I have shown you how you can enter your ID and save it, and how you can see the amount of those people who are counted there by pressing A. And also I want to conclude by ending strong. In summary, this is a simple and functional digital attendance system that can be expanded into a full featured solution with just few upgrades. So thank you for attending my presentation. Was the student attendance counter system, and I really appreciate those who are seeing my video. Stay tuned. Thanks.